Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to me. I'm Jagat Alif Hatulistiwa, and today is the day that I want to give you some tutorial in CCNP. What is CCNP? It's Cisco Certified Network Professional. You should have passed CCNA first, the associate, to pass to sit in the professional seats. Now I will give you some material what CCNP gives to me. And first, I want to explain to you what is stub area. First, it's actually routing protocol material, but the stub area is on OSPF stub area. Now, first, I will explain to you what stub is. Stub area is the least area is the most current area. It's like this area, and the least is stub area. And stub area is the way you make the area is that you can if you set the area is you setting this there is make the imagine this is my area, and I set area 1 is stub area, and because of that the extra the only the area can insert the internal route, but not for the external route. So if we setting stub area, the external route will not will not get advertised into the area 1. And and how to configure it is configure all of the router that is then that have like touch the area that I want that we want to change it to the stub area. In this case, I will change the area 1 is become the stub area. Is the router who touch the stub area 1 is only router 6 and router 7. Okay, so in this configuration, I already configured ARP as autonomous system 10 and OSPF area as area 100 in router 1. So this is the configure of router 1 in show run. See, I already make very much loopback, like 1111 is for the router ID, and loopback 100 and 101 until 107 is the loopback for ARP and OSPF area. But here, loopback 101 until 3 is insert to the OSPF area 100, but loopback 104 until 106 insert to the router ARP 10, and in router OSPF the area 1 here, in area 100, you should redistribute ARP 10 subnets for insert. Make sure that the loopback that is the external route is already advertised by the redistributed is. But I want this case is router 6 and router in stub area is can't advertise the how can I say it, can advertise the external route, but it's changed to become not advertised, can is like delete of all of the external route and change it to become the default route like this. Router OSPF 1 area 1 stub. See, area 1 stub already. Area 1 stub. Okay, done. So after the configuration is done, so do show IP route. Now, as we can see, loopback 4 until 7 is disappear, but it's changed to become a 0000 as a default route. So when we make a stub area, it's not mean that we can't advertise the external route, but the external route is delayed and changed to become the default route. So what is stub area? What is the beneficial things that stub area gives to us? So stub area gives you some functional to make the router is more lighter than before. Because of that, because many of in this company, like they make some external route too much, so stub area makes us to make the routers is like being lighter than before, and make the router is delete of all of the external route and change it to become default route. Okay, I think that's all. It's all clear. Maybe that's all. I'm Jared Khatulistiwa. See you around. Thank you for listening my short tutorial videos about stub area. I just apologize if something that I asked wrong. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.